Hopes everyone is having a blessed day in the Lord. And what I'm doing is an overview and kind of recommendation on my favorite KJV word study tools. And actually, no matter what translation you should use, you should always be able to do a good word study on any, of the words in the Bible. Because a lot of times words, what you think you may know they mean, and they mean, from a biblical perspective, they mean something totally different. And then I've seen people preach, and I cringe every time someone take a word out of context, say it means something that it doesn't mean. And I've done Bible studies, and I've asked people, and I already knew the answer before, what did this word mean? And then they would kind of like sit there like a deer in headlights, and I might get 3 or 4 different answers. And a lot of times, out of the 4, 3 of them are wrong, if not all of them are wrong. So it is always good to do good, solid word study in your study, put in the work, and it's going to reward you in the end. And then a lot of times people say, well, all I got to do is just ask God. He reveals the meaning of words. The same fallacy, people come up and come up with a different answer. So we don't need to be lazy. We need to put in the work, get the effort, and it's more rewarding when we know what it means, and then we understand what it means, and then we can apply it to a life. Because if we misunderstand that word, and then we misapply it to your life. So give you an example of one word that I've seen this in the New Testament, and it's referring to, it says conversation, and that word is making a reference to it, meaning is your lifestyle, not words you spoken. I've seen people preach that word there and talk about people, they talk and their conversation, and it's not even talking about conversation. It is making a reference to lifestyle. So that's why it's always important to do a good, solid word study. Take time, read the text, get an understanding of what it means. So this is the most simple. This is what I would recommend many years ago as the Strong's Concordance. When I was a brand new Christian, this is what a good friend that was a minister pulled me to the side and said, I asked him what I need to study the Bible because I was hungry for the word. He said, get you a Strong's Concordance. This been around since the early 1900s. It has stood the test of time, and you can get these here fairly cheap. I think Strong Concordance retails on Amazon right now about $24.99. So not expensive. If you don't have anything, that is your starting point. Get your Strong Concordance. There's a lot more useful tools, but that is a good starting place. What does that one do? It actually has every single word in the Bible with the Strong's number off to the side with that particular word there. So you can go to the very back, look up that word in the back, go to that number in the back. Now it's going to give you a range of meanings. So that's why like I said, you got to be careful with that there, because it may give you what's called the gloss, and it may give you 5 different words, and it's a fallacy just to say eeny, meeny, miny, mo, I'm just going to pick one, and that's what it means. So, but as a starting point, that's better than not having anything at all. That is a valuable resource. Another book I recommend is, this one is catered to the strong, is the Vine's Dictionary. What that one does there is it's got the words in the Bible where you go to the back, you look up a word, and then that word is listed in here, and then you could go to the back, and it's got associated with the Strong's number, and it's got a lot of the important words in the Bible that you would find in a Strong's Concordance there. So this here is included the Vine's Dictionary. So this retails here about, this probably can get this about $25 or $30 now too. I had this here some years here. Now, if you're serious about the Word of God, this is what I recommend here. This one here comes in Old Testament, the complete word study Old Testament. I picked this one up, I think this half price book many years ago here. And what this one here does here, it's got every single word in the Bible. As you can see, every single, and the related Strong's number. So you can go to the very back, and it's go to the very back, and then you look up that word there. It's got the dictionary, like a concordance in the back, and it gives you a brief definition of the word there in the very back here. So if you look in the very back there, get some detailed meanings of the word here. So this is the complete word study Old Testament, bringing out the original text to life. And you can get this one here. This here runs about $38 right now, and it normally retails for $59.99. So this is a great one here, and this in here compliment here, and it is the complete word study Old Testament. Now this is the actually dictionary that goes along with that, with the Strong's numbers, and you can go back, good size print here, and you can look up those words and see what those words mean. And what it also does is get related verses and what that word there means in other related passages there. So you get a good understanding of the word and you don't take it out of context there. So that is a valuable tool there. Now it also comes in the New Testament. And this is the New Testament here, the complete word study New Testament here. And on this one here, it goes here like the New Testament here. This is Luke chapter 9. And you see here, it's got every single word in there and the related Strong's number here. And it does have the same, go to the back, Strong's number, look it up, and it gives the definition of that there. And so this one here is a little bit, this one here runs about, right now is $42.99 for the New Testament here. And it does, you can get along with this one here, is the complete word study dictionary. So this it gives the same definition here. It's by the same publisher, but this goes in a lot more detail in giving you the definition of those words there. So these are good tools there to have here. Now, these are my last two here. And these here are the Englishman Concordance, Hebrew Concordance of the Old Testament. This has been around for a long time here, but they still have these in print. And these are good, valuable resources here. This here, and no, this one here runs for Old Testament $47.98. I picked this up about 15 years ago here. And what it does here is it goes into, it gives the Strong's number, and it gives the verses that uses that same Strong's number, and it breaks down those verses there, and it explains what those mean there. So this is the Old Testament here, and then the New Testament, which is smaller, but this is the English Concordance of the New Testament. It is. So these are excellent tools here to do good, solid word study so you can understand the Word of God. So if you understand it correctly, you can apply it to your life correctly. And when you minister others, you're going to minister them correctly. So you're not giving misinformation. You're giving good, solid, biblical information to share with someone, to put them on a right track and help them grow in their walk in God, help introduce them to Christ. So it's always good to put in the work and do good, solid, biblical word studies. I highly recommend that. So may each and every one of you have a blessed day in the Lord. And if you're new to this channel, thank you for listening all the way through. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel here. Click the like button, and I will see y'all the next time I release some content. So may you have a blessed day in the Lord.